Today I'm working on some paper pulp projects. Hi and welcome. This is Rozani. Has there ever been a time when you only need to work on a small project and you don't need a lot of pulp? That's where these discs come in handy. So here I'm working on little Easter eggs, some pussy willows, a mushroom, and a carrot. Individually, these projects only require a little bit of papier mâché. It was so easy to use the little discs for each one of these projects. These things are so much fun to make, especially the little mushrooms and different types of beads. The main thing is to have fun, use your imagination, and explore all of the possibilities while you play with this pulp papier mâché. Look at these. Aren't they cute and colorful? I can go ahead and decide the colors that I want and the sizes, and that's what I'm doing here. Some projects require fewer discs than others. I begin by adding the liquid starch to a little container. Soak your discs in liquid starch. You only need a little bit, using just enough to cover the pulp, and it will absorb the liquid. Mix it up and begin to shape it. This was a two-piece project, the little mushroom stem and the mushroom cap, which is what I'm working on here. Once I've completed shaping this, I'm going to put it right alongside the stem and allow them to dry together. Probably overnight would be best. And I can move on to another project. I'll only show a few of the projects in this little video, but I hope they give you an idea of how to use these discs. If you haven't made your discs yet, please watch my previous videos to learn how. So here's a sneak peek at another small project. This is the easiest project of all, and of course you can make them in different sizes. I'm making colored Easter eggs, so this one is going to be purpley. I've made these in different colors, and that footage can be found in my full-length video tutorial with an extended version of this project. Once it's shaped, you could even add it to a pick. It's that easy. I mentioned that this is a sneak peek. It is a shorter version of the full version tutorial for each one of these project topics. And I'm offering them to my YouTube viewers for a donation of $5 per topic. And that link will be in the description. Moving right along, you could see me working on the little pussy willows on some wire. And I'll also be working on a carrot like this one. So here's a bit of information about my full-length tutorials on these topics. You can click on a link that takes you to my PayPal page. From there, you'll get an email confirmation and a link to the video. This is something new that I'd like to do to help save money on some of these costly tutorials, whereas the tutorials in my Etsy shop are higher priced. So these are options that I'm offering because I know that you're already creating things most of the time, using your own techniques and adhesives because they work well for you. Though I hope you'll try it out with a liquid starch. What do you think about these little pulp discs? Let me know in the comments. Meanwhile, thank you for being here with me. I do appreciate the time you've taken to watch my videos. And I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.